Hello and welcome to Capacity TV. My name is Saf Malik, Deputy Editor at Capacity. I'm here with Robb Fink, Vice President for Global Centre of Excellence for Oracle Communications, and Jason Tibbs, who's the Chief Information Officer at Lightpath. Thank you so much for joining us, guys.
Thank you.
Robb, can we start with you? Please introduce yourselves and tell us a little bit about what your role is at Oracle.
Yeah, absolutely. And again, thank you for having me today. It's an honor to be here. As mentioned, my name is Robb Fink. I am the Vice President of our Global Center of Excellence for the Oracle Communications Business Unit. And what we do is we work with customers all over the world to make sure that we can help advise in solutioning and solving problems and delivering business outcomes with our products and solutions here at Oracle. So Lightpath is one of the customers that I've worked with extensively, our team has rather, and happy to be here.
Jason, over to you.
All right. Again, thank you guys for the opportunity today. It's great to be here with you. Jason Tibbs, CIO at Lightpath. I'm responsible for all aspects of our IT infrastructure and putting together all of our systems and applications. And here it translates to doing a bunch of work to transform how we do business to be able to serve our customers with ease and make it a really enjoyable experience for our employees on a daily basis, and hopefully translate all of that into value for our investors.
Well, it's awesome to have you guys. Jason, I'm going to start with you. A couple of questions. Can you tell us a little bit about your transformation journey around digital services? And what are you trying to do and where are you today?
Sure. Lightpath, we are a digital infrastructure business, and as a company, we are trying to serve a wide variety of customers to meet their ever-changing bandwidth needs, from the edge to the cloud to data centers and everything in between. We do that by providing unique solutions to meet their needs through existing network or through building new. So with that, from an IT standpoint, we are good at what we do as a company, but we know we can always be better. And one thing about us is we are a carve out from our primary investor. And with that, we had a lot of shared systems and processes, and we knew in order for us to take it to the level that we wanted to and to be autonomous in what we do, we needed to separate everything that we have. So in 2025, we went down a path of standing up all of our own systems and applications. It was a heavy lift, but with it came great transformation and gave us the ability to, serve our customers better, make life easier for our employees. And we truly believe it's going to, and already is, translating to value for our investors.
And could you tell us a little bit more about the business outcomes you're delivering as part of the transformation, and how are Oracle helping with that?
Yeah, absolutely. So, with the business outcomes, or, how do we deliver service to our customers in a more, on time and with quality. Along with that, it's, from there, we've got to build them accurately. And on the tail end of it, we're going to maintain them as a world-class provider. Where Oracle helped us was with the Oracle Fusion for finance, accounting, and supply chain management. They helped us with the Oracle BRM and the billing transformation, and they're also helping us on the back end with the maintenance and surveillance of our network with unified assurance. So we partnered with Oracle to acquire the applications, but also in the implementation of it. We selected the Oracle implementation for certain aspects of it, and preferred partners of theirs for implementation of other pieces of it, so that we could divide and conquer and go get a lot of work done in a very short period of time.
You mentioned the finance and supply chain solutions. They're embedded with AI and play a major role in the transformation. Can you tell us why that technology in particular is so important?
Yeah, absolutely. If you look at what we do and how we deliver our services, everything we do starts with the inventory that we have of the equipment. Every single order we process has to consume inventory, and a lot of it has to spend capital. So, as we looked at optimizing our delivery processes and managing our inventory, ordering equipment, and then the logistics associated with that to make sure that the equipment ends up at the right spot at the right time for our field services folks to meet the needs of our customers. It was critical in our delivery processes to put this system in place. And as we tie that in a little bit to the other systems, we end up with billing, and then that all comes back into the finance and accounting side, where we're able to, look at our spend, look at what we have, look at the revenue on top of it, take all of those things, roll it back into the general ledger to be able to manage our business real time.
Thanks, Jason. Rob, moving over to you. Evolving the customer experience with intelligent technology is a huge focus in our industry. Where do Oracle solutions like billing and ERP fit into that?
Yeah, sure. Thanks for the question. And, to kind of, I guess, leverage some of what Jason was mentioning, I mean, it's a critical conversation in our industry because, it's a misconception that I see quite a bit that CX is purely a CRM or a front end challenge. And now with AI, automation kind of being at the forefront of most of the discussions, it becomes even more important to understand the role of billing and ERP in customer experience. And I would simply put it that we consider these systems a foundation of CX. They have to be agile, scalable, provide the data, the inventory, the network state to give that customer experience today and in the future that our customers and their customers demand. I can give you a really quick example. I was with a customer a few weeks ago that was talking about launching an AI copilot to optimize pricing in the B2B space. And they told me how this AI copilot has dramatically improved the way that and the time to market for optimizing solutions for the prospects and customers. And as I listened to it, I said, that's great, but let me ask you, when you get that recommendation from the copilot, can all those recommendations be ordered and billed without the potential impact of an error downstream, because they're all very personalized for a customer? And they said, no, that's something we're trying to figure out still. So that's an example where a CX initiative is really dependent on the foundation layer of kind of the quote, traditional back office systems for success, and could even be a liability if we're giving customers options and potential things that they can't actually be billed accurately for and serve the way that they expect. So to answer your question, at Oracle, we engineer our billing and ERP to be really foundational elements of the customer experience, making sure that they provide flexibility, scalability needed to enable the customer experience. We're embedding AI capabilities, as we discussed, within the applications, and then probably as importantly, providing the data exposure and vectorization of that data to power autonomous CX strategies of today and in the future, including enabling voice into our applications. Voice is really the new UX for most of the customer experience initiatives we see out there. And then making sure that they interoperate seamlessly with our own customer experience platforms. Whether you use ours or a combination of other CX components in the market for customer experience, it's important, again, to have that billing and ERP solution and unified assurance type solutions interoperate seamlessly with those systems.
And you just touched upon it there a little bit, Rob, but why is it more important than ever for providers to be able to accelerate time to market for new services and to enrich that customer experience, as you were mentioning?
Yeah, sure. And this has been something, we've been chasing for all my time in the industry. And today it's even more imperative than ever. And that AI really changes everything from what customers expect, what employees can deliver, how fast competition can pivot. Really the customer expectations for personalized interactions, almost feeling like they have a personal CMO, if you will, when they interact with an operator, are here today. And clunky channel experiences, IVRs, products and services that don't meet their needs really accelerate churn, as we know. I even have a customer in Asia that has coined themselves the Netflix of telco, like highlighting how important they prioritize the digital experience that they can provide as a telco to differentiate themselves. A few other points. I think we're in a world of rapid obsolescence, and hyper competition. Gone are the days where we can take 6 to 9 months to roll out products, because of different channels, catalogs, line of business silos and operations, and inflexible back office systems. If you can't pivot faster than that in today's world, it's going to be a tough road. And then lastly, I think with all the investment in the networks, monetizing 5G and fiber rollout, there's a lot of opportunity in different avenues for operators to make more and differentiated revenue streams for B2B, B2B to X. And we really, work with operators to ensure that we have low cost of entry solutions that they can stand up potentially new business models in a quick period of time, tear them down when they're done, and move on. And sometimes operators are thinking in terms of thousands of different, say, network slices with different business models that may include even non-telco products, and often do today. So the ability to launch these products, these differentiating products, in a timely manner with the customer experience in mind is more imperative than ever.
Rob, Jason, thank you so much for joining us. It was awesome to hear about this partnership.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you.